Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your Instagram's username. To change your username on Instagram, open up the Instagram application on your phone and log into your account first. Now from the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. From your profile section, tap on Edit Profile. Go to the username field and then delete the current name and type in your new desired username. After you are done, click on Done at the top right corner. Once you've changed your username, your new username will be reflected in your account. So that's how you can easily change your username on Instagram. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.